Why, hello there. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Messenger Pigeon Mobile's Study Assistant function to help you prepare for your future assessments. First of all, pick a class and open the transcript panel for that session. You can open Study Assistant by clicking the circular magic wand icon on the bottom right. 3 options will be available to you. You can use Study Assistant to quiz yourself based on your lecture content by choosing the first option. Select the appropriate prompts and our app will quiz you based on your content. After that, you'll be able to see the answers to those questions. And we're not done yet. Study Assistant will also generate keywords related to your lecture to help you pinpoint important points and serve as a guide of sorts when you're knee-deep in all those readings you have to do. And lastly, it also provides resources to help you dive deeper into that particular topic. Click on the link and you'll be directed to an external source. If you'd like to save any of the information that's presented on Study Assistant, each segment lets you copy the information using this little icon here. Happy studying!